is Pat Billiou, and this is my husband Gary. We've been married 43 years, and 2 years ago we decided instead of buying a house up north, we would put a pool in our backyard.
What's your favorite part about the pool?
Being able to go into my backyard and just walk down the steps. And it's just like you're just in heaven, you know. Sometimes I'll get up on the rafts and I'll sleep in the pool because it's so comforting. And the best part though is getting the children, the grandchildren. We have 6 grandchildren, all little ones. So the best part is bringing our family together for barbecues, and they all live close by, so no one has to travel very far.
My favorite part is that it's virtually maintenance free. Al convinced me to upgrade the pool and get the in-ground heating system, cleaning system installed. And it has jets like a sprinkler does. It pops up, it pushes all the dirt to the main drain. It heats from the bottom up, and it makes the water much more comfortable, much more easier to swim in sooner, as opposed to normally heated water flowing across the surface of the pool. This way the pool is heated evenly from top to bottom, and it's really good. And like I said, the best part is that I don't even own a vacuum for this pool. It keeps itself so clean. I don't even need to use a vacuum. Once in a while, I get out the broom and I sweep a little bit of debris down to the main drain. The main drain sucks it up, and that's all the work I do. I mean, this is much easier to maintain than an above ground pool, and I'm so glad we got it.